Today on this episode of Without a Recipe, we will be tasting a dish with a blindfold on.
But we have no idea what it's gonna be.
After tasting it, we need to determine what set of ingredients we want to use and eventually cook the dish because Maggie made us do it. It's bad timing. Let's do that
Maggie
again.
made us do
Because Maggie made me do it.
Bruh.
So made me, but you were listening to
I
me.
Maggie
said,
made us!
I said, assume me.
Nakabisa ako!
Assume
Maggie
me.
made us! Maggie made us!
One eternity later.
Because Maggie made me do it.
May the best man win.
Have you ever had that dream where you're like, your bed is so small and the room is so big? It's exactly what this feels like. Tons of garlic already, like crispy garlic that's in there. There's some soy for sure, some sugar. Definitely some magic syrup in there. That's probably beef brisket. So I don't know how long we have to cook this. If we do have a time limit, then I'll definitely need to use a pressure cooker to get this down. Fresh egg noodles. What's that? Thanks for telling me I was shoving half an egg in my mouth. So boiled egg. We got this. Classic beef mami pares. So spring onions, crunchy garlic. I'm gonna need some beef. I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Okay, jury's turn. I'm not supposed to see this.
This is interesting. Right? I'm so nervous. Parang I feel like I did something wrong. Uy, medyo malapot. Okay. Okay. This is the first time I've ever done something like this. I'm guessing, like, just based on, like, the taste and the mouthfeel. Like, I'm tasting a bit of chicken, maybe beef. Medyo lasa siyang pares. You've got that anisey flavor. So for me, it's either La Paz Batchoy or pares. So wait, isa pa, para sure lang. I need some garlic. I need some whole chicken. Yeah, chicken thigh, chicken breast. And then I also need a lot of garlic because that's like the predominant flavor that's like hitting me right now. It's like that flavor of toasted garlic. Spring onions, siguro like egg noodles. Yeah, I think I can make something with that. So good luck to me. I'll make the most of what I have and hopefully it will be at least somehow close to this dish is. Game?
Okay, you can take off your blindfold now, jury.
Oh, the light. Oh my God, this is totally different. Okay, no, I'm pretty no. I think I messed up. But I think, regardless, I think my dish will taste good. Even if I got the ingredients wrong.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm right. I don't know if you're right.
Well, I think some of the dishes, some of like the versions that I've tried has like shredded like chicken breast on it, which I think it kind of fooled me in the first time. I was like, okay, tastes like La Paz Batchoy, has that stringy texture, tasting a bit of chicken, maybe beef. Wait, it's beef. Lasa siyang pares, but at the same time, pwede siyang maging La Paz Batchoy.
La Paz Batchoy leaves this like oily sheen on your mouth. It really coats the oil. I didn't get any oil.
Maybe you didn't like stir enough.
Okay, so you'll cook your dish, I'll cook my dish. So what's your first step, Jury?
Very simple. The predominant flavor that really hit me was like the toasted garlic flavor.
Yeah, the first thing I smelt was the garlic
nice,
flavor as
the
well.
crispy garlic flavor.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make pares in a cheat way, the way I make it at home.
So right now we're gonna heat our pan to high heat because we really want to brown that garlic. All right. Pan is getting nice and hot. All right, so garlic goes in.
You go first. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
My beef has some color already. I'm gonna add some ginger in there, garlic, red onions, star anise, cinnamon or kalingag.
So right now we're just trying to bring out like the toasty flavor in the garlic. So I'm just gonna let Erwan like
Go for it.
do his dance.
I'm gonna add both some Maggi Magic Sarap as well as one Maggi chicken cube, just to increase that broth profile. What I love about these is that you can literally just crumble them in your hand, which makes it way easier.
That's looking good. I mean, you're probably like 10 steps ahead of me already. But
Broth.
I'm taking my sweet time.
You can add some water because we already have a Maggi chicken cube in there, but if you want to make it even meatier, you can add a vegetable broth or a beef broth.
So, all right. Right now, as you can see, the garlic is nice and toasted. At this point, you can add in your onions. It's like I noticed earlier when I was tasting the broth, it was like a bit sweet, and I assumed that sweetness came from the addition of onions, because onions are sweet by nature. That's why when left in the pan for a long time, they tend to caramelize.
Last little touch for me, a bit of soy sauce, just for some color, and a bit of our Maggi oyster sauce as well.
Okay, now for me, we can add in our chicken pieces. Once your chicken is in, and your garlic is nice and toasty, your onions are there, we add in our water. And then to the broth, we're gonna add some Maggi chicken cube, because you want that extra level of
Yes,
that nice umami, deep flavor. So I'm gonna get that from the Maggi chicken cube. So just crumble that in your hand. Then we go in, of course, with our Maggi magic setup. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure there's Maggi magic setup in this dish.
That's one thing I think we can both agree on.
Yes.
100%. So I'm done. So I'll just wait for you. Yeah.
All right, I'm done as well. I'm
Okay.
just adding pepper and acting professional, acting like I know what I'm doing. We've got even playing field.
So now we
That's what
wait.
I'm saying.
Now we wait.
All right, good luck.
The best man wins.
Okay, the best man. Get a nice facial, you know.
This is a competition, by the way.
Is it?
Are we competing? If we are, I'm winning. The challenge of the whole episode was to replicate what we had tasted. So do you feel now you're deviating more from that, or do you feel like you're even more confident in your initial choice?
Can I be completely honest?
100%. I love honesty. Go for it.
I forgot what we tasted already. But all I know is that this tastes really good. All right, let's shred together.
Let's shred together. I like that.
All right.
Let's shred together. I need a
You
bowl.
need 2 forks.
Okay, I'm gonna chop this on the
All
board.
right. Perfect. And then at this point, I've shredded my chicken, and yeah, I think I can plate
Okay, me too.
right now.
Mm,
All right.
so-
So. I can't hold it anymore.
Okay,
Okay.
let us switch.
Go. All right.
And let's bring the real one.
Oof. I don't even want to look at it anymore.
You're right.
Oh
it was
no!
it was a really watered down bowl of pares. Unfortunately, it is still a beef pares. It is tasty though. Like I'm not gonna.
No, this.
It's a good bowl of mami, not a batch, right? It's a good bowl of
Mami.
mami.
Yeah, I might get bashed for this, but yes, correction, it's mami.
How about
And this pares tastes like a bowl made with love naman. That's pretty good, very comforting. So, sinangag tuloy.
I mean, obviously we did this in a really, really quick way,
Yes.
but there is depth, right? Obviously, a real pares place wouldn't pressure cook their beef, right? They would cook it for longer
Yeah.
times. That's how you develop flavors over hours.
I think we did well in terms of like the dishes that we've produced today. So
Yeah.
I'm happy about that.
I mean, it was a fun little challenge, obviously.
Yeah. And
But-
it just proves that you still have the superior palate, and mine still needs a bit more training.
It is-
needs a bit more field work.
I mean, from what we've learned today, it is interesting that once you take out
Yeah.
one of the senses, in this case, sight,
Yeah.
it does kind of confuse you.
It
right?
does.
And so, I mean, in terms of cooking, the way people get better at cooking, it's like when people say, you know, how do you get good at cooking? I don't personally think it's by trying to cook everything.
Yeah.
It's by refining
Yeah,
your
palate.
flavor, your palate, by tasting different things, even things that you don't like eating. Just taste, taste, taste. What it does, it builds a library for you to kind of fish from.
Profiles.
And
yeah.
profiles, and you understand flavors, and then, so, jury,
True. Thank you so much for
you did okay.
Thank you. Yeah, we'll see for the next challenge. I'll taste everything in the pantry. I'll go around the feature studio. I'll taste like every condiment you have. I'll lick all the floors on your kitchen.
So you will know.
So I will know. I will train my palate. And hopefully next time, I will be able to redeem myself with this.
So thanks very much for watching, guys. Make
Thank
sure
you
you
so
check
much,
out
guys.
all the other videos that are up on the channel. We have other content creators and celebrities like Juliana on here, Tatung, all doing really, really great cooking shows. Thank you for stopping by the show of these two nobodies. And we'll see you in the next episode.
Peace. See you
Peace out.
guys.